Have you ever wondered how global supply chains manage thousands of purchases without drowning in manual data entry? The secret lies in a powerful master data bridge called the Purchasing Info Record, or PIR. Think of the PIR as a digital memory for procurement that links a specific material to a specific vendor. Without it, every purchase order would be a manual struggle, leading to pricing errors and massive delays. By using this record, the system automatically knows your agreed prices, delivery lead times, and shipping instructions, turning a chaotic process into a streamlined operation. Beyond just pricing, the PIR maps your vendors' part numbers to your own, ensuring your suppliers speak the same language as your system. This eliminates the risk of shipping errors and ensures the net price is always based on negotiated contracts, rather than a buyer's best guess. However, there is a hidden trap, the Info Update checkbox. If left checked during an emergency high-priced order, it can overwrite your long-term negotiated rates and inflate costs across your entire organization. To maintain a healthy system, experts recommend auditing delivery times and using mass maintenance tools to keep data fresh. Whether you are handling standard purchases, subcontracting services, or even pipeline materials like electricity, the PIR is the essential engine that drives automation and accuracy in your supply chain. Mastering this simple yet vital component is the difference between a smooth operation and a procurement crisis.